Okay, so our next pose is the tree pose. Remember, watch Coach Simmons do it first, and then we'll do it together. You're going to be standing on one leg, and you're going to bend the other knee and place the sole or the bottom of your foot on your inner thigh. If you start to feel, you see, this is a balance one too. So if you start to feel like you're going to fall, don't fall to the floor. Just lower your leg and rebalance yourself. We don't want anybody falling on the floor. Okay, then after you have that part, you're going to slowly raise your arms into the air above your head. Okay, so everybody's standing. We're going to do this together. Ready? We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Here we go. Everybody in standing position first. Bend your knee and place the bottom of your foot on your inner thigh. Remember, do not fall. Just put your leg down and rebalance. Slowly raise your hands into the air above your head. Okay, kids, now we're going to play a round of matching to see if you remember the poses that we did today. So we're going to match the picture to the name of the pose. Coach Simmons, would you like to go first?
All right. I think this, okay, let's pick, that would be Happy Pose Baby. I'm going to choose. Let's see. Oh, no. All right, your turn.
You know what? I think I know what that one is now. You helped me out. So I'm going to go click that. And I think it's child pose.
You're right, Coach. All right, you get to keep going.
Okay, all right. So then I will pick, this one here. I think that looks like, didn't know. Maybe a tree?
Oh.
Boo.
I just did the tree. Do you guys remember?
Ugh.
All right, this is the tree pose. It's got to be. Good, okay.
I forgot because I didn't do it. You did it. Okay.
All right, kids watching, let's see. We will go to Don't Scream Out Loud. This looks like the cow pose. Oh, what? I really thought it was. Kids, what is it? All right, let's see if Coach Sam can figure that out.
I think I know now because you ruled out all the ones that couldn't be. Cat pose!
Oh.
Yay!
You get to go again.
Oh, I know this one because I did this one. This one is...
Oh, that's our base.
Our first one, tabletop. Yep. But I'm going to let you go because I want to share. So you can take the next turn.
Coach. Oh, okay. This must be the happy baby pose.
Yay!
Oh, process of elimination coming down. Oh, I did that one.
You gotta move us.
I can't. Oh, I gotta move the picture here. Okay, let's move us out of the way. Oh wait, I like that. Let's do that's the cow pose. All right, I'm gonna let you go, Coach.
Let's do this one together. There's one right here. That looks like it probably is this, right? Is it this, kids?
I think so, yeah.
Standing forward bend pose.
Because you're bending and you're standing.
Yeah, let's go with that. That sounds right. And the last one is downward facing dog. Woo! Good job. 11 tries. We got it.
All right. That's a wrap. Thank you for participating in our yoga lesson and dancing to Beyonce.
See you next week.